Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start at the Ps4 home screen, go straight to Settings, then Sound and Screen, and open Display Area Settings. Move the controller sticks to shift the white outline so every edge lines up with your TV bezel or overscan. This is how you change the game view without in-game toggles. Once done, press X to confirm. The Ps4 now scales the output for God of War and every other app. This step fixes cropped or cut off HUD elements fast. Once you've adjusted the Ps4 display area, launch God of War to verify that HUD, subtitles, and menu borders sit comfortably inside the screen. Pause the game and glance through its display or accessibility options. Some entries like HUD scale may offer minor tweaks, but the Ps4 display area is the primary control. If you notice clipping or too much black border, exit the game and make small incremental changes to the display area. You'll quickly find the correct balance between full image and visible UI. To finish, play a few scenes and cutscenes to ensure the adjusted screen works across gameplay. If elements still appear too large or cropped, check your TV's picture settings, look for overscan, zoom, or HDMI scaling, and set them to native or 1:1. Make sure the HDMI cable and port aren't forcing a weird resolution. Reboot the Ps4 after changes so settings apply cleanly. If problems persist, swap the HDMI cable or try a different TV to isolate whether the console or display is at fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.